Anyone that has ever dreamed of being an astronaut will certainly be jealous of what some Bozeman High School students got to experience today. Thanks to Astronomers Without Borders, the students were able to learn from and talk to, in real time, astronauts on the International Space Station. MTN's Morgan Davies has more on what the students learned and how they got an inside look at the ISS.
For the first time in history, Bozeman students were connected with Russian students and Russian astronauts from the International Space Station.
It was really cool to talk to an actual astronaut while he was in space.
What will you do when you are back on Earth?
It was this reaction from students that made Lynn Powers accept the invitation from Astronomers Without Borders to host one of the first ever space lessons in the U.S. Space Lessons was produced by Russian company RT360. The lessons started just in Russian schools, but the company felt they could do more.
It is a great example of what we can achieve together.
Besides talking to the astronauts, Bozeman students were able to ask Russian students questions and see them perform experiments.
It was really cool to see what they were doing in their schooling, and it was just really cool to see what their classroom looked like and what they had to say, and their home experiments too. That was really cool.
And after the space lesson, students got to use virtual reality to see for themselves what it would be like living on the International Space Station.
It's so cool. You just look around and there's astronauts over here, there's the Earth just sitting there.
The only other U.S. school to be a part of the space lesson was in South Carolina. In Bozeman, Morgan Davies, MTN News.
All right, looks like a lot of fun. If you'd like to learn more about Astronomers Without Borders, you can visit us online.